Right, we got a late start this morning. We were just about to set off and the phone rang and it was the delivery guy with the fridge freezer. He said he was going to be there in half an hour, so we had to wait for that. I picked the IBC up last night on the way home. That's a fourth and final one. And then we had to go and pick up the big chunky timbers we've got here to build the wall in the bathroom. The loo wall downstairs in the utility room. So that's what we're going to be on with today. There's a few other jobs I want to do in there first, knocking off a bit of stuff, looking for a lintel, la-di-blah. So Sharon's going to be back in the bedroom again. Sharon's here again today, going to be in the bedroom upstairs, carrying on with the painting. So let's get on with it.
Hi, we're Sharon and Andy. Welcome to Finca Live.
In 2019 we bought a derelict finca that used to be a bodega in the Murcia region of Spain. The building was an empty shell with no main services, water, electric or sewage, and we're restoring it, doing all the work ourselves with the view to giving us an off-grid, debt-free home.
In addition to this, self-sufficiency is very important to us, so we're going to aim to produce as much of our own food as possible, and the idea behind these videos is to log our progress, but also to provide you with something you hopefully find interesting and informative. Please join us on our journey.
We've unloaded the IBC and we're going to leave these bits in the trailer for now because there's some stuff we want to do before we bring it inside. One of the things we want to do is knock out the header for this window. No idea if there's a lintel in there or anything, so we're going to find out in a minute. I want to get all the rubbish out of the way basically before we get too far with the improvements. Also on the wall for the loo, the outside wall there, just going to knock off the bits of the old remaining plaster because I'm going to build a wall, so it's going to be a confined space and more difficult to do. So we'll get it all tidied up, cleaned up, and bashed off now. It looks like it had a big stone lintel across. It's actually cracked. You see that there? It's got a big crack right across it. It looks like it was one big solid stone, that. So yeah, not sure what to do with that just yet. We'll carry on a bit anyway. I think we're going to have to break out the big guns. Right, that'll do for that one. I should have stated me already. The new window is 50 wide. This means it'll come to there. So we've got enough there to go up. when I do that now, I better pop this worktop off in the future if I need to get any more mess out of it. The new works will go out, everything can go out that way. If we build up, that's well cantilevered in, that stone. So when we build up this wall up to the level of the new window, it's going to be even more so. And it's been there for well over 100 years anyway, so I'm guessing it'll be alright. But we'll play it by ear as we do it. Right, I'm going to get the bathroom bit done now. Right, I reckon that'll do us for now. Worst job now, clearing up. I'm going to get the wheelbarrow and the shovel. So the first piece is in, we've levelled it up, we've had to lift it up quite a bit at that end. This whole floor slopes down that way, I assume for swilling it out or whatever in the past. So we're sat on the big stone we put in there, we're going to block it up and we'll build a little, we'll tidy all this up neat, because this is where the fridge door is going to open here. And then we'll build up underneath here. We're just pointed up with some nice stones, like a tiny little dwarf wall. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to mark this underneath on the same angle as that stone and cut it, and then this piece can come this way up to the doorway, and the angle should be exactly the same to make it flush with that. In theory, let's have a go. We've cut the bottom one, that's in place. We're just going to ease this one in. Pretty good. Go over a bit there. Perfect. Right, let's carry on. I'm just going to pin these through diagonally with pocket screw things, just to hold it in place. It shouldn't move anyway, it's pretty tight. Right, this stone is too tall, too big, too large, so I'm going to see if I can just chop a bit off it to get it down so it levels with our wood. We're plugged into our new socket that we put in the other day that you saw us put in. Let's have a go. Noise! I reckon that'll do it. Right, it's to the door. Right, are we ready? Okay. Oh, right. Excellent. Right, same again, swap places. Look at that. Okay,
Yep,
ready?
yep.
Stand it up there now. After an epic struggle, it's in. It's actually going on that side, but we can't put it there until this wall that I've started today is done. So it's just going to live here in its box until such time. Right, we're going to have a look upstairs, see how Sharon's got on with the painting.
Well, this is what I've been doing today. Finished the wall, apart from a little square up there, which I just cannot reach on the step ladder, so Andy needs to do that bit for me. Looks a different colour again, but we know that once it's dry, it all looks the same, as you can see on that wall. I've painted over the hole. Remember the hole where the pipe work was going through to the kitchen? And there was a little hole there as well, which I patched up the other day, so I painted that as well. So I'm pleased with today's work. So that's it for today. It's absolutely scorcho. We're both exhausted. It's taken all our effort to get that blooming fridge freezer into the utility room. We need to water the plants, which takes a good half hour, and I've got some shopping to do. I need to pick some lettuce for our salad tonight. So yeah, we'll call it a day. Hope you've enjoyed today's video, and if so, and you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing. Click on the bell to receive notifications of our future videos, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.